What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy again. So here I bought what? You know what I bought? I bought a Xbox 360 front plate. Yes, this is the TSD front plate. This is the blue camo version, not the jungle one. I ordered a jungle camo version, which is in the green color, but sadly I just got the blue one. So here we go with the epic unboxing of it and jump to the unboxing table. I gave my hand for you to hold. So now here is the unboxing of a faceplate for the Xbox 360. This is the camo blue color. Yes, the jungle camo blue color. Now let me open my Swiss Caesar. With my Swiss Caesar, to be honest with you? I'm a huge fan of the Xbox 360. I mean, Xbox 360 is one of the best gaming console of all time. There is no debate on it. Okay, okay, it's not good. Okay, how I can open from here? Maybe. Okay, okay. My wife, can you give me a big Caesar? Can you give me a big Caesar? I mean, literally, it can't open. Okay, let me show you the faceplate. Okay, and then now let me open with the big Caesar. Here we go. Okay, now from here. Now from the back. Okay, here we go. Finally, here it is, the faceplate. Okay, okay, this one come off. Okay, let me put this one down. And now let me take off the plate. Okay, like this. Let me open the manual. Okay, let me see how I can put this one. I don't know about this one, but this one how I can put. Yeah, maybe like this. It is out, to be honest with you, from the spring. Okay, something like this. Come on. Okay, let me stop and put this one. So finally I fixed it. Now let me take out the faceplate from the Xbox 360. Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay, okay, here is the faceplate of the Xbox 360 off. And now let me put the new one. Okay, okay, here we go. I'm literally excited. Wow, I mean, look at it. My new Xbox 360. Now jump back to me.